Okay, last few years we have saw a massive improvement in tech industry. We have covered some of it. We have also covered about some PC and even smartphone. We gave some tips and tricks to make your tech experience simpler. But today it's different. Today we are here to show some cool and interesting tech gadgets. You will see from Inkless Pen to cool Star Wars fight. We have also provided the links to buy those gadgets in the description box below. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications by hitting the bell icon. If you like this video, give us a like. Let us get into the tech world.
You still can't print a live photo? You just need the right printer and augmented reality. With this gadget called LifePrint and a special app, you'll bring all your memories to life. You can print snaps, live photos, and GIFs. The printer is super compact, so you can carry it anywhere and use it on the go. It uses zinc paper, which is smudge-proof and water-resistant. There are different sizes and formats to choose from. You can even print stickers to decorate your walls or laptop. The Wi-Fi connectivity also allows you to print remotely, even if you're traveling and the printer is at home. Thanks to the large battery, it delivers 25 prints on one charge. And for Harry Potter fans, there's a certified version with a Hogwarts logo. The moving photos are no longer a fantasy. Claw machines are probably the most controversial thing in the world, but kids love them. Now you can get a smaller version so they can play even at home. The toy's made of high-quality, non-toxic materials. The rounded edges ensure maximum safety. All the elements of the game are present, including flashing lights, music, and sound of applause. The music level is adjustable and can be completely muted. You can fill the box with any prizes you want: small toys, candies, chewing gum. It could be something different if you bring it to an adult party. To activate the game, you have to insert one of the tokens which are included in the package. That's certainly better than real money. Okay, straight to the point. It's an infinite pen. I'm not kidding. The Italian researchers created a new metal alloy that is perfectly good at writing. They took their inspiration from another famous Italian, Leonardo da Vinci. It's hard to believe that it doesn't use any ink, but that's just the metal which oxidizes when it touches paper. Amazing, right? I'd guess Da Vinci would be very proud of his descendants. Here's an even more desired gadget for all the Star Wars fans out there. Lenovo made it possible for everyone to feel like a Jedi and not to cut off each other's hands. So you'll be ready to use the Force once you've put on this augmented reality headset with your smartphone in it. There are 3 pre-installed games in a special app: Lightsaber Battles, Holo Chess, and Strategic Battle. The lightsaber itself features a great realistic design and lets you chop your enemies without any lag or latencies. You're also going to need a small tracking beacon, so it's time to practice your skills for the future battle. This flying ball is a new and extremely amusing toy. The game is fairly simple. The ball will get close to you and then fly away immediately when it approaches your hand. Or you can use it as a regular drone with a remote control. The infrared sensors allow you to avoid different objects around and underneath. If it somehow collides with another object, the engine stops automatically. In addition, the ball is equipped with a bunch of LED lights which can glow with different colors. It should look really cool in the dark. To charge up the ball, you'll need a standard USB cable. It reminds me of the Snitch from Harry Potter. Meet a drawing tablet for multiple purposes. The gadget is super lightweight and portable. That means you'll be able to work literally any place you like. You don't even need a laptop. Just connect the device to your smartphone and you're ready to create the masterpiece. Large 6.5 by 4 inches working area supports more than 8,000 levels of pressure. This tablet is designed for both right and left-hand users. The battery-free stylus requires no charging, allowing you endless, uninterrupted drawing and gaming. The Express keys help you customize and optimize your workflow and provide you with quick access to needed tools. Take your digital notes and drawings to another level. Then there's a gadget that brings personal protection to the next level. It's designed to address several major problems. First of all, it provides high-level safety with 2-way air filtration and a robust seal. That's a 360-degree protection that regular masks can't ensure. The gadget's comfortable and easy to put on. Also, the transparent screen allows you to keep your face open. Thanks to the reversible gloves, you'll be able to touch your face safely. There are 3 airflow settings for different conditions. This thing works 8 hours on one charge, so it'll easily get through the day. It actually looks kind of cool, almost like a spacesuit. Next gadget is designed to make document scanning way easier for you. The truth is, traditional large scanners are quite spacious and inconvenient. This thing is totally different. Now your documents stay open and handy even while scanning. The large coverage zone allows it to work even with A3 format. The 8-megapixel camera provides a crystal clear image in just 1.5 seconds per page. With the integrated LED light, shooting in a dark room is no concern. In addition, this scanner is provided with some smart software. It allows automatic image segmentation and correcting defective images. You can even scan barcodes or QR codes, so if you do a lot of scanning, don't miss this.
That is all, guys, for today. All the product links are given in the description. If you wish to buy or use these amazing gadgets, use link in the description. If you like this content and wish to have more and more gadgets like this, give it a like. Share this video to your friends and family, so that they will try these. Comment about our content in the comment section below. Finally, subscribe to CK's Tech for more and more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.